Good morning, children. We were reading our lesson of Fellow Traveler, and now we will continue this. See the next paragraph. There is a pleasant sense of freedom about being alone in a carriage that is jolting noisily through the night. It is liberty and unrestraint in a very agreeable form. You can do anything you like. First of all, children, note down the difficult words, the meaning of the difficult words. Pleasant. Pleasant means agreeable. यानी कि प्रसन्न करने वाली, आनंद में. Jolting. 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 Jolting means giving jerks. यानी कि झटके देते हुए. Unrestrained. Unrestrained means full freedom without any control or restriction. Full freedom without any control or restriction means बगैर किसी नियंत्रण या प्रतिबंध, रोक टोक के पूरी आजादी. Argument. Argument means reasoning. Argument means reasoning, tark. Now, Jones. Jones, you know, an imaginary person. John is an imaginary person. एक काल्पनिक मनुष्य. Next is counter stroke. Next is counter stroke means attack in reply. Attack in reply यानी कि प्रतिक्रिया, पलटवार. Golf. Golf is the name of a game. Next is stroke. Stroke means hit, chot. Let means obstruction, hindrance, बाधा, रुकावट. Next is provoking. Provoking means arousing, जगाते हुए, भड़काते हुए. And next is protest. Protest means disapproval. Protest means disapproval, विरोध करना. Festival of freedom. Festival of freedom means enjoyment of freedom, आजादी का आनंद. And this is cushions. Cushions, you know, गद्दियाँ. Yes. Regulations. Regulations means rules, नियम. And this DORA. DORA actually is the Defense of the Realm Act. राज्य की सुरक्षा अधिनियम. Now, I am just going to explain this paragraph with the context. The context will be the author of this lesson was traveling in a train. He was all alone in the compartment. In these lines, he describes his loneliness in a pleasant manner. And how we will explain it? The author writes that traveling all alone in a compartment gives him pleasure and sense of freedom. The train is running with noise and is jerking with speed. It is a summer night. The writer is free to do anything in the compartment. He can talk loudly without disturbing anyone. nobody is there to hear him. He can begin an argument with an imaginary person, Jones, and defeat him in the argument. He can throw that imaginary person on the floor without any fear of revenge from him. Okay, children? Now we have finished our paragraph. Tomorrow we will continue the next one. And as your homework, you have to revise the whole paragraph and will learn the difficult words with their meaning. Okay.